Behind this tutorial I would like to show you how to save your image as PNG in GIMP. So first I recommend you to remove this white background from the image. If you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button here on the layer, and then you need to click on Add Alpha Channel. After that you need to select here Fuzzy Select Tool. It will let you to select your object, so I click on white background here, and then I go to Edit and I select here Clear. How you see, your background has been successfully removed from the image. So now we can go to File and we can go to Export As. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard Shift Ctrl E if you want. It will let you to export the image to various file formats such as PNG or JPG. So I click on it, and now we need to select directory where we want to save our image. So for example, I would like to save this file on project folder, and now we need to go to select file type by extensions, and we need to find here PNG. Okay, so here we have PNG image file type and PNG extensions. I click on it and then I click export. Now I recommend you to set here everything on default, and then we need to click export button. And after that your image will be successfully exported as PNG from GIMP. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.